Hi guys, this is Samrat once again. I am at Diamond Bay Reserve, the eastern part of the Sydney city. These are beautiful sandstone cliffs and the majestic view of the ocean, which you can see right away. Absolutely mesmerizing, to say the least. And I'm really tempted to come here in the eastern part of the city. I'm telling you guys, uh, the Diamond Bay Reserve is a hidden gem in Sydney. Not much people know about it. It is where the wealthy people stay in the eastern suburb of Sydney, and I'm sure that the views from here are truly breathtaking. Make a point to come to Diamond Bay Reserve whenever you are in Sydney. You will not be disappointed. It is like a 20-25 minutes journey in UberX to come here. Public transportation like bus services are also available. So next time when you are in Sydney, make a point to visit here. Thank you guys, and I will now go offline, and you guys take care and have a lovely day ahead. Bye, and God bless you all.